to Paragon's TV. I'm unboxing the Remote Patrol BB-8. Welcome back to Paragon's TV. Today I am unboxing the Remote Patrol BB-8.
Wow, did you get that for Christmas, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks awesome. What movie is that from?
Star Wars, The Force Awakens.
Star Wars, The Force Awakens?
Yeah.
Alright, we were waiting for this toy, weren't we, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's take a look at the box.
Yeah.
How cool is it? Is that a picture of him on the front?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow.
You want to see it? This part?
Yeah, let's see. What does it say on there?
It says...
Here, bring it closer for us.
If
Wow,
you
let's
don't
look.
put batteries in...
Does it take batteries?
No.
No, he just goes by himself?
Yeah.
Wow, it looks like the bottom rolls and the head stays on top.
Mm-hmm.
I can't believe it, that's possible. We can't wait to open this up and check it out. It says remote control BB-8. The head stays on top while he rolls. Wow, and it comes with a remote control. That's cool, and he goes in all different directions, and it looks like he talks. Mm-hmm. Droid sounds.
Droid.
BB-8 is a spherical, loyal astromech droid of the Resistance pilot Poe Dameron. Wow. Isn't it cool, buddy?
Yeah.
Alright, you ready to open this guy up? Wow. Ready? Here we
Go!
Oh.
Pieces. Yeah.
Wow, we opened the box, and what's in there? Look at all the pieces.
I know, there's only like
Holy moly.
2, 3, 4.
You know what that's called?
What?
Some assembly required.
Oh.
Who gets to do the assembling?
Me.
You're gonna do it? I don't have to do it this time? Wow, okay. We're gonna get you guys to put it together, and we'll be right back, right? Wow, we put BB-8 together.
Yeah.
Wow, does he look pretty cool, bud? Yeah. Oh. Oh, wow! Is he awake?
Yeah.
He's alive, buddy.
Yeah.
Wow. You want to try and drive him?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Whoa! Let's put him on the ground before he falls off. Woo!
Yeah.
Oh, wow! You ready to give BB-8 a big try, buddy? Wow, look at him go. Go the other way.
He's gonna click.
Wow, is that crazy?
Ah! BB-8! 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 Look at his legs.
Whoa, you gotta press the other one too? Wow. Oh! His head fell off! His head fell off! Oh, he's going crazy! Wow! He's gonna get me!
Laser attack! Laser attack! Ah, he bumped it.
Look at him! Oh my goodness!
BB-8!
Wow, it is cool. Rocking back and forth.
Laser attack, BB-8.
Laser attack. Oh, he's gonna get you. He's gonna get me. No. Not my feet. Do you love the BB-8?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's awesome, right?
But he's not awake.
I know, we'll wake him up soon.
Welcome back to Paragots TV. I'm unboxing the Remote Patrol BB-8. Echo
Yes.
has it. Oh, I was doing
Try.
I'm not awake.
Is he not awake?
Only if he twists his head.
Hey buddy, did you love your BB-8?